Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Close CRM Setup. So I'm going to walk you through the step-to-step guide on how to use Close CRM website. So the first thing, which is step 1, is to sign up to Close CRM website. Then click on the sign up button and fill in your details to create an account. And after that, you have to verify your email address to activate your account. Then on step 2, you have to set up your account. So to set it up, you have to log into your Close CRM account, then complete the onboarding process by providing information about your business and sale goal. Then customize your account settings, including your email address and your domain identification. Then after that, on step 3, you have to add account and date. So to add account, go to the account section and click on add contact. Then enter the contact details, including name, email address, phone number, and company. And similarly, add leads by going to the lead section and clicking on add lead. Then on step 4, you have to manage deals and sales pipeline. So navigate to the deal section and click on add deals. Then enter the deal details, including deal names, value, then stage. And after that, use the sale pipeline to track your progress of your deals and move them through different stages. And after that, schedule task and meeting. So go to the task section and click on add task. Then enter the task details, including task name, due date, and priority. And similarly, schedule meeting by going to the meeting section and click on add meeting. Then on step 6, you have to send emails and create email templates. So navigate to the email section and click on compose email. Then write your email and send it to your contact. Then create an email template by going to the template section and click on add template. Then on step 7, you have to generate report and dashboard. So go to your report section and click on create a report. Then choose the type of report you want to generate. For example, you generate sales performance, then deal analysis. Then customize the report by selecting the relevant metric and filter. Then create a dashboard to visualize the sale data and track key performance indicator.